Hello everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here. On October 21, 2021, October 21, 2021, my wife and I bought the Tesla Model Y, which we still own. Love that car, long range, dual motor, awesome car. We have like 80,000 or more miles on it. It's a great car. So this was in the middle of COVID, and all the deliveries were like touchless delivery, which still exists today. You don't have to see or talk to anybody. Last year I picked up, no, actually more than a year and 3 months ago, 15 months ago, I picked up my Tesla Model 3, also touchless. Come, pick, and leave. So basically you come in, you locate your name on the windshield, there it is. You make sure everything is good. They open the car for you. You sign the paper in that little envelope, and then you give it. You drop it in the mailbox, and that's it. And I was about to leave, and then a very nice fellow saw me, said, "I think there you have a dent. You're gonna see it in a minute." So I went into the dealership, into the service center, God forbid, into the service center, and I showed the guy. He came out, very nice guy, Tesla. He came out, took some photos, opened a call for repair, and I had to wait about 2 months for a body shop that work with Tesla in the area. They had to order all the parts. Now, here's what I'm going to show you. So this dent, here it is right now. You can see it under the temporary license plate. That dent, didn't prevent me from taking the car. They said, "You want to leave it here until we fix it?" I said, no. I'm picking up the car, and they, 2 months later, I got the call. I left the car there. I got another Model Y. I think it was about a week. And the entire panel, that's the point of this video. The entire panel had to be replaced, and they had to get like a lot of parts. Okay, a lot of parts to fit and to be below and on top, and to make sure that the color is matched. And it's a whole operation. It was a big deal. So before I get to the point of this video, here it is again. Make sure before you pick up any new car, by the way, it has nothing to do with Tesla. Make sure that you survey it from head to toe, because if I left and then I realized this 2-3 days later, they'll say, "Maybe you did it. We're not paying for it." So it was about $2,500 worth of damage, but of course, because it was their fault, so it's now here is the Tesla Model Y before the refresh. See, it has 3 big panels, one on the side there where I got the dent. Okay, so this entire panel has to be replaced, and all the way to the top to match the color. So those are the parts that I had to recall. So you got this huge part that goes all the way to the windshield, okay, on the left side and on the right side. And then they have the bottom part, and then of course the same thing. So 3 huge panels, and then the one on top. So they have to replace the back and the top where they meets the windshield. So that's a big job, really a big job that they did. Now look at the refresh Model Y. This is the Chinese website. Now you have this little part. Okay, so the license plate is below the trunk. You open it from above the light bar, and you have one small part. You see, one small part. This is where I got damaged. Another small part on the left, and another small part to so this one is big. See, this one is huge, and the next one on the left is huge. So I have one small part, and then on the side you have another small part all the way to the doors. So this is a great design. This can save thousands of dollars. That repair, if I had to pay for it, ask the guy, would have been $2,500, and I had to pay it if I didn't notice. They could have said, "Listen, it's you. What do we care? It's you did it." So that was a major thing. Here's my Model Y. This is how it looked like in 2021 when I just got it. It still looked the same. I take care of my car. So you see, it's a huge panel on this side. Huge panel. I was doing this video just to survey the gaps in the car, just to give like an initial view of the car. But those panels in the back are humongous. Now, I have to say, this is just in general, look at that gap. Teslas today are much better. So here's that gap, here's that panel on the left, here's that panel in the center. I have to say that I'm cursed with with repairs. I will tell you in a minute. So you can see the comparison. You see three small panels, and these are three huge panels. So I just broke a windshield, my third one, mind you. Not my fault. A rock flew from a highway, from a truck on a highway from Florida back to New Jersey. So that's my luck, as they say. And this is what happened. So the point is, guys, if you did this damage, because this is not covered by warranty, if you did this damage and you don't want to go through insurance, hopefully these repairs of here's that dent again, one of the small gaps will be by far less expensive than it is today. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.